Hello class, my name is Thompson. I'm a trainer at Rubavu Technical College TVET, and today we are going to learn together the module which is called Repair Function Generator. And today's topic, we are going to see how to prepare a function generator repair work. At the end of this session, each learner will be able to select and arrange different tools, materials, and equipment required for function generator repairing. And she will be able to analyze a function generator. As we are learning together, I invite each and everyone to take some notes and do a practical exercise with me. Firstly, you may ask yourself, what is a function generator? A function generator is an electronic device that has the ability to generate various signal waveform with adjustable parameters at its output, such as include sinusoidal AC signal, triangle signal, square wave signal, constant DC signal. Such signals are important when dealing with electronic circuit. As we finish to know what is a function generator, now on we are going to prepare the workplace in order to repair a function generator. Firstly, as a professional technician, always you have to select PPE, which are made to protect you against any hazard while you are doing any kind of repairing, such as gloves, helmet, overall, noise mask, goggles, and so on. While you finish to select PPE, you select tools, materials, and equipment required for function generator repairing. Firstly, you have to do what is called classification of tools. As you can see, there is repairing tools such as soldering iron, screwdrivers, pliers, and iron keys. And also, there is a cleaning tools such as brush. And now on, we are going to classify different materials required for function generator repairing. As you can see, there is adhesives, as you can see at your own screen, and also there is repairing materials such as soldering tin, screw, cable and wire, and finally electronic components such as resistor, capacitor, inductor, transistor, and so on. And after that, we have to classify different equipment required for function generator repairing. As you can see at your own screen, firstly you have to select screwdriver machine, function generator, soldering station, digital multimeter, air blowing machine, and finally, as I told you before, you have to select PPE, which are personal protective equipment. Those are the tools, materials, and equipment required for function generator repairing. And after that, while we finish to see different tools, materials, and equipment required for function generator repairing, now we are going to see how to analyze a function generator. As you can see at your own screen, firstly you have to identify different type of function generator. As you can see, there is analog function generator, there is a digital function generator, and finally there is a sweep function generator, as you can see at your own screen. In order to see the main part of a function generator, you have to remind yourself about assembling and disassembling. Assembling is to fix together separated pieces in order to form one wall. While disassembling is to break down or to separate one device into many pieces, as you can see at your own screen. And after that, we have to describe main parts of a function generator. As you can see at your own screen, there are three main parts of a function generator. There is a power system, there is a control part, and finally, there is a displayer. Those are the main three parts of a function generator, as you already seen it at your own screen. And also, you have to identify technical specification of a function generator, as you can see at your own screen. There is a voltage rating, current rating, output signal, LiPo and noise, temperature, maximum frequency, waveform types, and after that, you have to set up the working environment. In that way, you have to remind yourself about screening techniques such as blowing, blushing, and towering, and apply safety rules and guidelines such as individual safety precaution, electrical safety precaution, and operating safety precaution, as you can see at your own screen. And after that, you have to use technical of arranging tools, materials, and equipment. As you can see at your own screen, you arrange them by type, you arrange them by use, and also you may arrange them by size. Thank you for your attention. This is the end of our session. In our next session, we will see how to rectify function generator faults. As we're running together, I hope you keep doing a practical exercise with me as we're running together. See you next time. Enjoy.